So new for July 24 is the Mini 2.2. So the major upgrade with the new Mini-Pod 2.2 from Vangear is the lid for the sink and an underslung sink, which is squarer, so it's more practical, easier to wash your cups up in. So it's got a removable lid, so it still retains the cordless tap. So the cordless tap has a battery integrated into the tap and a USB point on the back to recharge it. So the tap is removable. So normally you push the hose into there and then you push the tap back into this recess here. So as before, you've got the stove shelf on the right here, which flips up, and then you just pull out the arm. So it has this elastic here to retain the hob ring. So this is your standard generic camping gas type stove with the gas bottle in here, the controls here, and then we've got this stove clip here which retains the stove onto the shelf. So for storage, you put the hob retainer on, just put the elastic on there, and then you push the arm in and the stove stores in here. On the front here we've got the table door. So you remove the door, pull out the leg, and there you have the table. So it slides up and down the rail a little bit, so you can reach the table if you're sitting here or here. So with the Mini-Pod you've got three basic positions. You've got this position here. If you had a sliding door on this side, you can then position the unit that way so that this table is north-south and the stove goes to the outside. Or you can position, if you had a fixed twin seat here, it could be positioned here with the table to the north-south and the stove opening to the inside. So you've got a mounting slot in the bottom of the Mini-Pod there. In this case it's just simply bolted down to the van. But then we also have some options for our vans with fixed factory rail systems. For instance, the Volkswagen California, we've got the Volkswagen anchor cleats which slide into the rails and enable you to fix your unit down. We've got some Vangear anchor cleats for the Stellantis van, so your Citroen, Peugeot, Toyota ProAce and the new Fiat as well. And then for the Mercedes Vito and V-Class, we've got anchor cleats for the Mercedes rail system.